Hi all, very good morning and good evening. Am I audible?
Yes.
Thank you very much. So today we are going to start the first concept is AWS account creation. So to create AWS account creation, so everybody you need some details by handy. So then only you can create your AWS account. So first step is how to create AWS free tier account. So to create AWS account, you need a email ID. So any Gmail, Hotmail, Yahoo Mail, any email address you can use. Even you can use your company email address also, but I would not recommend it to use a company email address because today you're working in this company. So tomorrow, once you're leaving, so the same email address you can log in at any point of time. You forgot your password. If you're resetting the password, the reset link will be sent to your email. Okay. So definitely that account will be disabled by the employer. So I would recommend it to use your personal Gmail account. Next, mobile number. So definitely use a mobile number because of all your account will be unique details they'll be maintained in AWS. One is email address, another one is a mobile. And third one, credit card or debit card is required to provide your details and it will be matched with your account if it is a properly. And either 2 to 3 rupees or $1 will be charged in your account. Actually, that amount will be hold for 3 to 4 business days. After that, that amount will be refunded to your account. So 100% AWS account is free, no charges. Even this amount is deducting and holding for a few days, like a 3 to 4 days, just validating your account, whether you are a genuine user or not. And especially this credit card or debit card, only master or Visa card or Discover card only allowed. Okay. So MasterCard, Visa card or Discover card will be allowed. So mostly in India, so some banks are providing debit cards, RuPay enabled cards. So the RuPay enabled merchant card in aws.amazon.com, the site is not acceptable. So Master, Visa, Discover, only international transactions are enabled. So only those cards can be allowed to create AWS account. So once you get this, all the three information handy, you can start creating a AWS account here. So how to create AWS account? Go to aws.amazon.com. So here you can click complete sign up. So here, create a new AWS account. And you can provide an email address here. Still, some people are confusing. So Amazon company, okay, Amazon company, that means Amazon.in, Amazon.com. Same account we can use in aws.amazon.com. Yes, you can use. So Amazon is a parent company. So they're doing different type of businesses, e-commerce business, product selling, okay, and IT services also. So now We are into IT business from Amazon. So this website name is aws.amazon.com. So whatever the email address you are using here, maybe same ID for your Amazon Prime, Amazon.in, the same ID you can use it, but you cannot directly logging in. First, you need to sign up. Without sign up, you cannot log in. So few users are complaining that long ago, maybe 6 months or 1 year ago, I have created account maybe with some different training or maybe in office. So shall we use the same email address to log in back? Yes, you can log in back. Maybe your login again with the same email address between the 600 and 365 days, your account will be continue with the free tier. If you cross more than 1 year, so all your free tier benefits will be lost. So please check that whether your account is created previously less than 1 year or not. So how to verify? Very simple. So definitely you're creating a AWS account by using some Gmail address or Yahoo mail, something. You can go to the email and you can check Amazon, aws.amazon.com. You can search on the Gmail or maybe what are the mail you are using. And you can check the email when the first email you have received from Amazon, aws.amazon.com. So from the date, so today date and what date you are creating an account, you can please check that. So whether 365 days is completed or not. So if you're less than 365 days, you don't have any problem. You can log in with the same password. In case if you forgot the password, you can reset your password again. So some people having some problem when you are logging back to the same account, maybe your account will get disconnected or maybe discontinued or disabled due to some reasons. If anybody is in the situation, don't hesitate to call me. Okay. Please directly, you can send a message with the screenshot on my WhatsApp. Okay. Either you can call me, either you can directly call our coordinators. We can help you because different situations are there. So based on that situation, I can definitely help on this issue. Okay, fine. Still few people are from India. You are attending this session. If you don't have master, visa, credit card or debit card, so definitely without a card, you cannot creating an AWS account. So maybe you have a RuPay. So RuPay card is not acceptable. So you have alternate procedures are available. In internet, you can go to Kotak 811 account, F5, FI. There is a online virtual account services are available. Use your PAN card and Aadhaar card. You can submit the details in that portal. You can create a virtual banking account. So the Kotak or maybe other bank services are providing virtual debit card. So you can take a snapshot of that front and back of the virtual card. With the details, you can create a AWS account. But when initially creating a virtual account from Kotak or maybe other bank services, by default your account will be zero. So while account creation, here it will be charged maybe either $1 or maybe equal amount or maybe 3 to 4 rupees. Okay, it depends on situation. So my recommendation, at least 100 rupees you can transfer from other bank to this Kotak 811. Okay, then you can create your account. Definitely it will activate. So this is an option. In case of any doubts, definitely you can reach out to him. We will help you on this. Okay, directly we can go to how to create a AWS account. Once you reach the portal.aws.amazon.com, so you can provide an email address which is not used previously. Okay, new email address. That means which is not used in this portal. Okay, at any point of time. And you can provide your account name. So that means you can enter your full name. In case somebody is already used your full name, you can alternate name you can provide. Either in the Gmail, same name you can provide it. Once you click verify email address, you will get one security code on your email. So can you please enter that? It'll go to next screen. So I have already created an account. So every time, every new batch, I would not able to create it because of it is a very difficult for me. I need to carry more credit cards and debit cards. Okay. So just orally I'll explain. So please understand. Once you're submitting the OTP from your email, so your email address will be validate. Then you'll go to next screen. It will ask your account type, personal account or maybe company account, organization account. So you're creating account for your personal, right? You can select a personal and you can provide all your details like a house address and your phone number, PIN code details, all these things you can provide. At the end of the screen, it will ask a PAN card details. So PAN card means social security number. You can provide it. So here the PAN card, once you submit it, it will go to next screen. But PAN card number is not necessary. You can skip that option. Okay, not mandatory. Once you click next, it will ask the payment. So payment you can provide what are the bank you are holding. You can provide that. And before entering the bank details, you please log into net banking section. In international banking transaction option will be available in net banking section. So go to that option. If it is disabled or enabled, please check that. So this all aws.amazon.com portal is completely managed from United States. So that means if you already, maybe you are already from US, United States regions, okay? So you don't have any problem. By default, United States, you have a local, that is a domestic account for you. Who are from out of United States, maybe UK, Europe, um, Middle East, Africa, and Asia. So rest of the people are outside of the non-US people. So you can enable the international banking transaction option and you can set a limit. So don't give more limit, just give 5,000 limit. So minimum 5,000 limit you can send and you can enable it. So once you enable, mostly in the banking services nowadays, they're sending a message, your international banking transactions option is enabled. So once it is enabled, then you can enter the details and you can submit. So mostly 98%, you don't get any OTP for validation because due to US government with the Visa, Master, Discover cards, directly they will be accepting the payment without sending a OTP. So be careful. Do not share your bank details to anyone. Okay. So we are not asking from outside. So we are not asking any bank details and should not share the information to anybody in this batch. Okay. So this is a very important message. Once your account is uh, accepted, that means your amount is debited from your account, you'll get a message. You can please check that. And clearly it will show the message. This amount will be debiting only for account activation. Within 3 to 4 business days, amount will be refunded to your account. So maybe after 3-4 days, you can please check that. Definitely amount will be refunded to your bank. Once you complete this bank transaction and the final screen will be there, click finish and you can log into AWS account. So this is a complete setup to create a new AWS account. So still here, few people definitely will face a problem. In case of any problem, we are here to help you to activate your account. Any other questions before moving to AWS account login? Suppose your account is created, how to logging in? So whatever the email address you created at the time of account creation, that is your username, and what are the password you have given, that is your password to log into your aws.amazon.com. So once you click sign in, there are two options are there. One is root user. Another one is IAM user. So going forward, I'll explain what is meaning of IAM user. So today, you can go with the root user. So root user means your email address you can provide. Yes, I provided, and click next, and you can enter the password. Next, click sign in. So now successfully logged in. So this is called AWS Management Console. So the next topic is AWS Management Console tour. Okay, AWS Management Console tour. So I will explain each corner of the screen. What are the options are there? Okay, so I will explain it. So any other questions? No?
Hey, Rajesh, is this session being recorded?
Yes, this session is recording.
Okay. All right.
Yes,
Thanks.
brother. Yeah. Fine. So this complete 1.5 hour session, whatever it is, more than 1.5 hours sometimes. Okay. So the complete session, I'll be cut down into small videos for your understand, because of 1.5 hour video, 2 hours video is very lengthy, and even we are uploading this video to some other location, it will be definitely some problem. Okay, so that's why we are cut down into small videos as per the topic. So even after the class, you can watch the video whenever you have any doubts. Okay,
Yeah,
so
thanks.
after end of this session, I'll give you my application link so everybody can install it. So before 9 o'clock IST, so everybody you'll able to access the application, and as well as you can watch the videos. And whatever the topic we are teaching, the particular topic content, PDF documents also will be uploaded in the application itself. Okay, thank you very much. So next, AWS console tour. So on the left side, AWS logo is there. So this is a clickable icon. So at any point of time, you want to go back to the main screen, you can click here, you'll be back to the main screen. Okay. And if you scroll down, so the complete information they'll be provided. So console home and recently visited services. Recently visited services. Okay. So these are the services recently I visited. So AWS health. So if anything abnormal changes or maybe any issues, so I can easily monitor in the AWS health dashboard. No issues. And coming to welcome to AWS. So this is a common information. So if you are a new to AWS, you please see these 3 articles. They'll give you some information about what is Amazon Web Services, what are the trainings and certifications, what's a new in Amazon Web Services. Definitely I'll explain. So getting started with AWS. So you can check this. What is a AWS cloud platform? So AWS cloud platform, okay, it's providing online computing services. Online computing services they provided. So with that, you don't want to maintain any infrastructure. You don't want to maintain any platform services in your company. So the complete infrastructure and platform, everything is managed by cloud service. So there are many cloud service providers worldwide. So Amazon also one of the cloud service provider. Okay. So if you have a multiple cloud service providers, who is the best service provider? Definitely right. So every year they'll be conducting the survey. Every year they'll conduct the survey. So the survey company name is Gartner. This is a certified a company. Okay. The certified company, the name is Gartner. Is a researcher, analytics, information for all the information technology, other services. This is the company name. So this company, every year they do research for all the technologies. So like cloud technologies also they'll be reviewing, and they're giving the every year 2 times of yearly, they're giving the leaders board and the challenges board they'll be updating. So who is the leaders in the market? Who are the challenges in the market? So completely they'll be updating there. So if you want to find out who is the best cloud service provider in the India, maybe India is one of the part in world. So let's take example worldwide, who is the a number one cloud service provider? Yeah, definitely we can check that. So go to Google, Magic Quadrant 2022 Cloud Service 2022. We can check this. So I'm not visiting Amazon Web Services. I'm going to Google. I'm going to Google website. So Google also accepting the Gartner survey, and it'll be displaying the leader and challenges board will be displaying on the screen. This is a Google Cloud, right? So I'm just zooming this console. You can see this in Google website itself. Google is the third place. So everybody is accepting this. So the first place is Amazon Web Services. Second is Microsoft. Third one is Google. Do you know what is the percentage of customers in Amazon Web Services? As per the survey last year, 2022 December, 34% of customers they're using Amazon Web Services. Before that year, 2021, 32%. Sorry, 33%. So in 2021, Microsoft Azure is a 22%. Last year, 21%. So Amazon Web Services gradually growing. Understood, right? So world largest customer base, which is managed and giving service to the customers. So last 12 plus years, Amazon Web Services standing in the number one place. Number one place. So on what basis? Both infrastructure and platform services. Both infrastructure also number one, platform services also number one. So that's why whoever learning this course, okay, there are a lot of job opportunities outside. Okay. If you need any information, just you can watch this video. Okay. Next, training and certifications. What are the trainings and certifications are there? AWS is conducting paid and free training services are available. You can please go to this link and you can explore what are the information they'll be provided. So you can see this free virtual AWS training event March 27. Okay, if you want, you can register here. So foundational cloud solution training will be provided. So anyhow, the same topics I'm going to teach here. If anybody is interested, you can go and register here. So now these are the training by role: solution architect, cloud practitioner, developer, operations, and the training solutions by advanced networking, data analytics, machine learning, security. So different categories level, AWS providing a solution, a service to the customer. So if you guys, you're looking for a AWS certifications, okay, go to the certification window. Based on your requirement, you can click this. Example, most of the people going forward, they're learning solution architect, cloud architect trainings, cloud architect trainings. So even this course is designed AWS solution architect course level only. So no prerequisite knowledge is required to learn this course. Anybody can learn this. So normally you need a basic knowledge on Windows, basic knowledge on networking, basic knowledge on Linux is required. So during the program, I will teach everything. Coming to what new concepts are released in AWS. So AWS is keep on releasing the new features and new services. So nobody will call you Hey Dinesh, hey Hemlata, so today new feature is released, can you please check? Nobody will tell you. So your management console only will tells all the information. So please keep on watch any new features are released in Amazon Web Services. Okay, so these are the new features are released. Okay, going forward I'll explain. Okay, unnecessarily reading this information, wasting of your time and my energy. Okay, going back. So these are the build solutions, some kind of a 2 minutes video, short videos they provided. If you're interested, you can please watch. Otherwise, anyhow, I'm going to teach each and every concept step by step in a clear, structured manner, in real-time manner. You please follow me. Okay. Don't follow multiple trainers and multiple videos and multiple channels. If you are liking one trainer, you just follow. That's it. Either my training or maybe other training. If you're liking, you just follow that. Don't follow multiple videos unnecessarily, wasting of your time. Thank you. So this is about AWS Management Console. And after that, we have a services is there. This services, okay, nearly 200 plus services are there. Do you know which first service was launched in Amazon? In the year of 2006. Actually, Amazon started in the year of 2002. The first product is uh, they prepared in the year of 2004. But due to some technical issue, in 2006, the product is launched. The product is Amazon Cloud Service. That is called storage service, S3, simple storage service. Nowadays, we are using Google Drive, right? Just like that. Okay. Nowadays, we have a 200 plus services are available. So all the services are categorized here with these names. So analytics service, application integration service, blockchain service, compute services, container services, customer enablement services, database services, different services are available. More than 200 plus services. Okay, with this category. So do you need to learn all these services? No, not required. Okay, it's very difficult. So as a single trainer, they will not teach all the courses. Okay. I'm not trained in all the services. Okay. So as per curriculum, DevOps engineer curriculum, as per cloud AWS architect curriculum. So we selected a few services, nearly 15 to 20 services we are teaching in this particular course. Okay. So I hope you already received the course content. In case if you're not received, so definitely, after this class, I'll ask you, my coordinator, to send the course content information. Okay, don't worry about that. And one more important information. Okay, somebody is already experienced person. Example, Dinesh. I'll take example Dinesh. Dinesh is a senior SQL developer. There's a database administrator. So Dinesh is not a cloud administrator. So he has a good experience on Microsoft SQL or maybe Oracle database. So with this knowledge, okay, today I have found that a database services, he will be going and creating a databases in AWS, but he is not checking any prerequisites, terms and conditions, he directly creating. So without a proper knowledge, if you're creating a services, a features, okay, unnecessarily you lose your free tier benefits. So at the time of the course or the content I'm explaining, during the time, if you lose your free tier eligibility, unnecessarily you need to again practice in a paid service level. You need to pay the amount to the AWS. So I'm here to help you each and every topic in a clear manner. Okay, with all the terms and conditions, pros and cons, everything I'll explain. So once explained, after that you can practice. Don't try any services without a trainer knowledge. Okay. And some people are going to watch some YouTube videos and they'll be directly coming here and practicing. Don't try that. Even I have a YouTube channel. Okay. Even I have a YouTube channel. Hundreds of videos I published. Maybe that is a promotional things. Promotional things. Definitely I'll be live videos only I'll uploading there. Okay. Most of the times I'll be 70 to 80% of the information I provided. Maybe 100% information is not available because that's a video. It's a live session. In case of any problem, any questions, you can stop and ask me. I'm a responsible person. I can answer to you. Okay. I hope everyone is clear now. So let's move on that. Search. So if you want a service you want to immediately open, you can directly search. Maybe any keywords you can search and you can open that immediately. And this is a widget. Going forward, I'll help you. What is a widget? How to enable it? Okay, we'll do that. Okay, right now I'm not enabled. I have removed all the widgets. And this is a Cloud Shell. What is the meaning of Cloud Shell? So normally in aws.amazon.com, this is a graphical user interface. Okay, so even AWS services not only managing through a browser-based graphic user interface, even you can manage the services through Cloud Shell by using the commandlets. If you have a proper Linux commands, you can easily manage the services. I know that because of we are not perfect in Amazon uh, Cloud Shell experience, but definitely I will teach the class. Okay, but in real-time environment, we are not using this, but options are there. Okay, 95% we are using graphical user interface only. Very less means only 0.1% or maybe 1% we will be using this particular Cloud Shell in the real-time environment. Honestly, I'm telling in my career, almost 16 years I'm working in IT. Since 2014, I'm working in this technology. I think 2 times I use this Cloud Shell, but every batch I'm teaching this concept, every batch. Okay, but regularly we are not using. So you know, right? This batch is 114th batch. Okay. So multiple times I explained it, but in real-time environment, we are not using this service or console frequently. So next, the bell symbol. You know, right? Bell symbol. Every day when we are watching YouTube, so bell symbol. So bell symbol is a kind of notification. So like this notification icon used for, okay, any issues are currently in Amazon, like open issues, schedule changes, any other notification will be displaying here. Mostly 95% to 98%, this will be 000. AWS will keep on monitoring every second. If any issues are before coming, they'll be resolving it. That's a beauty of Amazon Web Services. Okay. So coming to this is a question icon, mostly we call it as help center. So in case of anything you want to know more about information, okay, you have a very curiosity, you want to join some active forums and you want to read some documents related to the services, you can go and check this. Okay, and this is a region options. So AWS data center is set up in across the world. Okay, and that is called global infrastructure. So these are the locations. These are the locations AWS data centers are established. Okay, these are the data centers are established. You know, right, guys? World was divided into 7 continents, right? So like Asia, Europe, Canada, um, US West, US East, um, Africa. So different continents. So most of all the continents, the data centers are set up. Example, Asia Pacific. Okay, I'm from India, so that's why these are all the locations like Hyderabad, Mumbai, Osaka, Seoul, Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo. These all are Asia Pacific regions. In India, two main locations are there. Two regions are there. Hyderabad and another one is Mumbai. Hyderabad is released 2022 December recently. Mumbai, very old. So even Mumbai, 3 data centers are there. Even Hyderabad, 3 data centers are there. In India, total 6 big data centers are available. So like that, in United States, and East and West both are there. Suppose in East, okay, North Virginia, Ohio, and West, North Carolina and Oregon. These are the 4 locations the data centers are available. So can you please raise your hand? Okay, can you please raise your hand? Who are from US currently? How many are from US? Can you please raise your hand? Anybody's from UK? Am I audible?
Yeah, Rajesh. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Anybody,
you are audible.
anybody from UK? No? Anybody from India?
Yes.
Yes,
All are
yes.
from India. Okay. I got that information. Some people are from US. Okay. Don't know. No issues. So whoever from the particular region, you can create it and you can practice. Okay. Mostly I'll be practicing in Hyderabad, Mumbai. These are the locations. So this is your account details. Okay. This is your 12-digit ID. Every user have a unique ID they'll be provided. So with this ID only, if you are raising any complaint or any services with this ID only, they'll be identifying that. Okay. And if you want to know more information about your account, you can click on account information and you can check this. Okay. If you want, you can change your address and everything. You can do it here. Billing section. So what is the bill? Okay. What is the bill you have? Everything you can check that. Every month the bill will get generated. So bill you can modify it. So just for your information, this is my student ID before your batch 113. So she forgot to stop the services due to um, uh, some mistake, small mistake. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, due to long weekend. So she forgot to stop the services and the bill was generated a very huge level. I'll show you just for your information bills. Okay. So right now this month, March month, I'm managing this account very closely. So that's why $4.85 will be charged. So 4.85 means almost $5. So almost 320 rupees up to 340 rupees will be charged here. But previously, bill history. Okay. So we can check the payments and bills. Okay. What is amount? The past due dues, 6,463 rupees. Because of if you are unnecessarily forgot, okay, if you're not following the proper inputs, this will be a problem. So 6,400 is very big amount. Okay. So I just suggested that we can use this account until course completion. So later on, if account is blocked, you can create a new account. There is no other solution. Okay. Maybe 1,000 rupees we can pay. This is a very huge amount. Hmm. Don't do that. This is for your best example. Okay. So guys, any other questions in AWS tour section? No?
No, Rajesh.
Yes, please. No questions, right? Thank you.